Hello all, I'm RB Prabhu, a certified language coach, content writer, and a published author. My YouTube channel focuses on corporate communication, behavior, and self development. Subscribe to my channel to improve your skills in the above mentioned areas.
Welcome to episode 2 of Food Idioms. As you know, you can't take the literal meaning of idioms and it has a different meaning. Idiom number 6. Big cheese. It refers to an important person. Big cheese, an important person. Let's look at an example. Mr. Gio is a big cheese in the telecom industry. Idiom number 7. In a pickle. It means in trouble or mess. In a pickle, trouble or mess. Let's look at an example. If you are not aware of a return policy before buying a product, you will be in a pickle. Idiom number 8. The cream of the crop. It means the best. The cream of the crop, the best. Let's look at an example. The new dress I bought is the cream of the crop. Idiom number 9. Like chalk and cheese. It refers to opposites. Like chalk and cheese, opposites. Let's look at an example. Watching a video and reading a book are like chalk and cheese. Idiom number 10. Hit the spot. It means be very satisfying. Hit the spot, be very satisfying. Let's look at an example. I visited the new restaurant and I had a chicken burger. It really hit the spot.
So, these are 5 food idioms that you can use during your business conversations. As I always say, learning goes in vain if you don't apply it. Let's go for an activity. Type your favorite idiom among these 5 idioms along with your example on the comment section. I shall respond to your comment. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification of all my new videos.